Do you want to earn money online studying for only 2 weeks? Is 200 to 400 suitable for you as an extra income? Are you a normal user of websites and mobile apps? Then this is the right place for you. But wait, why would I take it as a paid course? There are a lot of free resources already. Well, I listened to most of these resources and they almost tell you one of two things: the names of these websites and the registration process, simply because they are not obliged to dedicate more time teaching you how to survive on these websites or how to make a consistent income from. In this course, we will walk step by step to understand the kinds of bugs, the way to find them, and a lot of practical practice on live websites, and do exactly what you are going to do on these sites. I will also tell you how to make more and more income if you are going to dedicate more time. Watch the next video so that you'll be able to understand if you are a suitable person to take this course. Thanks a lot for listening. Sincerely, Muhammad Amin with you.